Marketing Auditor AI is a revolutionary new software that can completely change the way you approach digital marketing. In this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before using Marketing Auditor AI. If you're new to this software, stick around because I'll share everything you need to get started. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether this is the best AI tool for you. Now, before we dive into the details, you can actually try Marketing Auditor AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. That's right, you can explore this software and see for yourself if it fits your needs before committing to anything. Stick with me, and let's break down exactly what this software does and why it's generating so much buzz. The first thing you should know is that Marketing Auditor AI is designed to automate and enhance your marketing efforts with precision. If you're a marketer or business owner, this tool is a game changer for auditing your digital campaigns. It uses cutting-edge AI to analyze your marketing activities and provide insights on what's working, what's not, and how you can optimize your efforts. It's basically your personal marketing assistant who never misses a detail. One of the most impressive features is how the AI evaluates the performance of your ads, social media campaigns, and even your website. It provides real-time data on user engagement, conversion rates, and overall ROI. This helps you make data-driven decisions quickly and more accurately. For marketers who struggle with tracking and interpreting data manually, this AI does all the heavy lifting. The second thing you need to know is how easy it is to set up and use. You don't need a technical background to get started. The interface is incredibly intuitive, which is a huge benefit for beginners. After signing up, all you need to do is connect your marketing platforms, and the software takes care of the rest. It analyzes your data and provides actionable insights, saving you hours of work each week. Third, the software's ability to identify gaps in your marketing strategy is where it really shines. Marketing Auditor AI doesn't just point out issues, it also suggests improvements. If you're running a paid ad campaign and it's underperforming, this tool will tell you exactly where you're going wrong, whether it's targeting, ad copy, or bidding strategy. It gives you the precise adjustments needed to optimize your campaigns. Another crucial feature to mention is the comprehensive competitor analysis. Marketing Auditor AI doesn't just focus on your own performance. It also gives you insights into how your competitors are doing. By comparing your campaigns to theirs, you can uncover opportunities and outsmart the competition. It's like having insider knowledge, all thanks to AI. If you're wondering how this compares to other AI marketing tools, the speed and accuracy of its audits set it apart. Most tools can take days to analyze data, but Marketing Auditor AI provides you with near-instant results. This is critical for businesses that need to pivot quickly or make fast adjustments to campaigns that aren't performing as expected. Let's not forget the reporting features. Marketing Auditor AI allows you to generate detailed reports that you can share with your team or clients. These reports are customizable, meaning you can focus on the metrics that matter most to your business. Whether you're an agency, a startup, or an established brand, this level of customization can save you time and enhance your client relationships. Lastly, it's important to mention the scalability of this software. Whether you're just starting out with a few small campaigns or running large-scale marketing efforts across multiple platforms, Marketing Auditor AI can handle it. This makes it a perfect solution for businesses of any size, and as your business grows, this tool grows with you. If you're serious about marketing and want to automate your audits, optimize your campaigns, and stay ahead of the competition, Marketing Auditor AI is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget, you can try it for free using the first link below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've handpicked the best ones for you. You'll find my recommended AI software down in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more reviews on the best AI tools out there.